try. You did a good job. David, say hello to the people.
Hello, everybody. This might be the last time you see me.
Might be, it might be. Kathleen and Jenny are there. Okay, here we go. Y'all ready?
Where?
All right, here we go. Has Jeff gone up to the next realm?
Yeah, I'm up here.
All right, let me say, here's Ben and Whitney. This is a cool room, isn't it?
It is.
neat. I took like a little panoramic.
Yeah? All right. You can see the landing above here, but it's before the landing. So if you're looking at me, then the bell chamber is right here.
Yeah, when I was watching you go up, I was like, this one little bit really bothers me.
Yeah, I'm not so worried or bothered about the stuff.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna stay down here with Cal.
There's no easy way to do it. You just kind of got to do it. Oh. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this last one, you kind of got to put your hands up.
Is Jeff already at the top?
Jeff's hanging around up here. I think he's having a picnic. Let's see.
I'm waving to all
There he is.
all the ant people down below.
The ant people.
Sorry.
Hey, there we go. All right.
She made it.
What?
And I live here now. Thank you.
Yeah.
Someone please send
That's
too.
right. That's right.